Hello, welcome to our first showroom. This is our BYD car. Do you like this car? It's a very popular car named Seagull car. And the color you can see is a very bright and yellow color. This is this year new update colors. Okay. And this car also with advanced technology. You can see here with all direction camera, and this and here. And on the car, on that side, it also with such camera. And this car also with NFC function. You can use the NFC card to open your car. It's a very easily way. Okay. Here now let's go to say open the door and to have a look for the interior. First you will see this car interior color is deep blue colors. I think this color is very charming. Okay, now let me show you other details. Now here this is the drive steering. As I touch it, it's a very soft and smart drive steering. And below it, you will see there is a dashboard. You can read lots of basic information such as the battery, power, the range, the time. Okay, and on the other side, you will see there is a very large LCD screen, and it can help you to release your hand, and you just need to ask the 小迪 to help you to do lots of things. Okay, let me show you. 你好，小迪，
我在。
Please change the car language into English.
好的，稍等一下。
Okay, now you can see the 小迪 has helped you to change the car language into English. You can read it very easily. Okay, and you can also ask the 小迪 to help you open the air conditioner music. Okay, I think it's a very luxury enjoyment. Okay, now let's go to see the other side. You will see here, this is the air conditioner. You can touch it to adjust the wind direction. Okay, very conveniently. And then go to say this part is a wireless charging. Okay, you can use your mobile phone wireless charging. Put your phone here. You can see it can charge your phone. It's very easily to get your phone with power. Okay, now another part, there is a small box. You can put your coffee, your water, to enjoy your time. Okay, and I think this car is a very beautiful deep blue colors. I very like it. Do you like it? Okay, now if you found your seat position is not good, okay, you can through this button to adjust the seat position like this. I show you. Okay, you can up and down. Okay, and you also can adjust the seat, the back, okay, and ahead. Okay, so it's a very good thing. Let me show you the rear seats. Okay, now now you will see the rear seats with two seats. Now and front is two seats. So this car is total 4 seats car. It's a very good things. Okay, let's go to have a look to see this part, and you will see this seat with the rear seats with very large space, and you can let your leg very release and feel very comfortable. Okay, at the seat here. Okay, this car, it is a beautiful EV cars. Okay, so you can electric car, so you can charge your car in your home. You can see here, you will see this car logo BYD and the EV. Okay, we call it Seagull car. This is a model. Okay, let's click the trunk. The trunk, I think you can like this. You can put your luggage to have a very good trip. I think it's enough to use it. Okay, here let's go to see